Hello guys, I'm Mahdi from Nakin Media. Today we will know how to earn money online. Per day, earn money online 15 to $20. Easy. How to earn money online with survey site. There are dozens of market research companies recruiting new members to fill out online surveys for cash and rewards. But be careful, many survey sites are not legit and never pay out. We have used reviewed and ranked 15 of the best paid survey sites that will pay you for your opinions. Every site has a limit number of paid survey each month. To make money doing survey and earn money reward, join as many online survey panels as possible. We share more tips at the end. Best paid survey site. Number 1. Branded survey. Online community with frequent global market research survey. Who are the branded surveys? Are popular with survey enthusiasts, providing a high volume of paid surveys. Rewards, money of gift card, amount per survey, $1 to 15.77 cents. Our review, as I mentioned in our branded service review, this service site is one of our personal favorite. Great and new website, easy to use. Will review on Trustpilot and fast paying. You can also earn ongoing points for referring friends and get purchase of everything they earn. Number 2. Swag bags. A hug variety of way to earn rewards. Exclusive sign-up bonus. Who are they? Swag bags are one of the largest and most reliable paid service sites. They have so far paid over 16 million in reward to members around the world. They offer rewards to playing games, taking offers, searching the web, making online purchase, and watching video. Rewards, money and prize draw. Amount per survey $1 to 77 cents. Amount per survey 30 to 150 SB point. 100 SB $1. Our review, we love swag bags. And we hear positive review from our readers about them too. We have found that taking survey and polls every day provides an highest payout. Swag bag survey site is very easy to earn money online as a student life. Every student should be work in swag bag survey site to earn money online. Every person earn money online to swag bags around the world. Every country supported to swag bag. How to make money online? How to earn money online? Number 3, Toluna. One of the biggest survey panels with daily online survey paid as cash or vouchers. Who are they? A trusted opinion website working on behalf of loading campaigns. They want to know that you think about certain products, service, and issues. In return, you get rewards, PayPal payments, Amazon and high street vouchers. Amount per survey 15,000 points. 80,000 points get you a 15 euro vouchers. Our review. We have written a full Tulona. It's very easy to take multiple survey every day on the site or via the app. Each survey take around 15 minutes to complete, so it will take around 4 hours to overly to earn a 15 euro vouchers. Tuluna have also recently introduced a game section where you can play and earn. How to make money online? How to earn money online? Number 4 survey site. I say make 10 euro plus a month. Who are they? One of the largest and best paying survey based market research companies. Ipsos work with trusted brands and research companies worldwide. Rewards, high street and Amazon vouchers, plus prize draws for all members. Amount per survey 1 euro. Minimum rewards threshold 10 euro. Our review, a well trusted survey panel. Ipsos send you survey every week to answer by email. The reward threshold is relatively low. Most people will be able to cash out in under 10 survey. How to make money online? How to earn money online? Number 5. Opinion Outpost. One of the lowest payout they hold. Who are they? Opinion outposts have shot up in popularity due to fast-paced and fun service, reward, money, and Amazon vouchers. Amount per survey 50 point. Minimum reward withdraw 2.50 euro. Our review. If you want to make quick money, this is the survey site you need. You only need to take 5 survey to earn a payout. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe.